Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel order on Uber Eats. So it's really simple and easy. If you want to cancel your order on Uber Eats, first of all, it just depends upon what stage the order is. If it's already been like half an hour since you made your order, and the order might have already been prepared and they have already started making and preparing it, in that case you cannot cancel it. And even if you want to cancel it, you have to pay the full amount of price because you're likely to incur a fee because their food has been gone to waste. That is the reason why. But sometimes if you are lucky, if it's just been like a minute or two, let's say just 5 or 10 minutes, the order has not started preparing itself, in that case you can still choose to cancel it by simply opening up your Uber Eats app, then tapping the account icon in the bottom left of the screen here. Once you are here, you can just tap on this orders option from the very top here, and once you tap on the orders tab, you will be able to go ahead and see a list of your orders, and if it's cancelable, you will be able to cancel them. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.